Hi everyone. Here's an easy tutorial for this super cute teddy bear hair clip. Let's make it together. First, make an oval-shaped frame. Then bend two small ears at the top. Wrap the remaining chenille stem around the side. Now the frame is complete. Next, wrap chenille stems around the frame until it's fully covered. You'll need about 3 stems. Keep wrapping until the entire frame is covered. Make the front as smooth and even as possible. The back doesn't need to be perfect since the hair clip will cover it. When you're done, hook the end to secure it. Trim off the excess and adjust the overall shape. Roll a small circle and trim it to make the nose. If you're using a beige bear, a brown nose looks best. Then glue it in place. It should look like this. Next, finish the bear's face. Add a little blush for the finishing touch. Finally, glue the hair clip onto the back. And your adorable teddy bear hair clip is finished. Give it a try.